Good morning, kids. How are you today? I hope everybody is doing well on this Monday, November 30th, 2020. Today we're going to learn from class book, page 30 and 31. We're going to learn about letter I and also what is that animal? Have you ever seen this animal? We will find out soon. Get ready! Today we're learning about letter I. This is letter I, uppercase I. This is lowercase I. I is the name of the letter. The sound is E. Can you say E? Very well. Now, what things start with letter I? Iguana. Can you say with me? Iguana? Very well. Iguana is an animal that has long body and big eyes. This iguana is laying on a branch of a tree. Next one, insect. Can you say insect? This is an insect, a dragonfly. There are so many kinds of insects around us. Okay, now let's learn how to make letter I. Uppercase I. We started from the top. Make a short line to the right. Then make a long line down, just like number 1. And stop. Then make a short line again. Very easy, right? Let's make lowercase I. Start from the top or from the middle. Go down. Little tail. Don't forget the dot on top. Can you make it yourself? Okay, now let's take a look at the picture. There's an iguana that is eating an insect. Did the iguana get it? He wants to catch the insect with its long tongue. Hop! That's iguana eating an insect. But in a real life, in a wild, iguana mostly eat leaves, vegetables. They rarely eat insects. There's other animal that look like iguana, which is called chameleon, that use its long tongue to catch insects. Alright, let's learn more about iguana. Now, where do iguanas live? Can you guess where do they live? There are iguanas that live on trees. They usually eat leaves or fruits and flowers. And there's special kind of iguana that live on the rocks near the sea. And there are also iguanas that live on the desert. Do you know what desert is? It's a sandy place, very hot place, and dry place. Okay. Usually we find iguana of this type, the ones that live on the tree. Did you know that many people keep them as a pet? Yes. They move very slowly but when they run, they can run very fast. Do you want to keep them as a pet? Now let's learn about insects. There are so many kinds of insects. These are insects. Insects live around us, and they come in different type and different names. Which one have you ever seen? Many kinds of insects. Which ones you have ever seen? What is this? This is a bee. This is a fly. This is ladybug. This is a grasshopper. I'm sure you know what this is. It's a butterfly. This is a cockroach. I've never seen this one. Have you ever seen this one? This is a spider, an ant, mosquito, green beetle. This one is also beetle. I don't know what this is. I've never seen this one. Some insects are disturbing, just like mosquito and cockroach. Some of them are very useful, such as bee. Bees are very useful and it's important insect because they help for plants to grow. Which one that you have ever seen, everyone? Now let's get back to the book. What do we see here? There is an iguana that wants to catch the insects. It's hungry iguana. Now can you help me to count how many insects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 insects. What about the insects over here? How many insects are there? Can you help me to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 insects. Now you're learning number 6. 6 iguanas. And number 7. 7 insects. Now we will practice reading. After this, I will play you a song. Read after me. Look at the iguana. It's green and blue. Look at the iguana. It's hungry too. 7 insects flying by. The iguana looks at the sky. Clap. 6 insects flying by. Now I will play the song. Let's sing together.
Unit 5, Recording 37. Sing.